Did I ever tell you the definition of insanity?
Home away from home.
I love the Navy. I do. Except for all the damn sailors.
No problem, 30, because we're not staying. Major just pinged me. Langley's got trouble.
Hey, here we go. Didn't even touch down and we already got a job.
Support got our gear in here?
Ready and waiting. Mission details are coming in on your MRT now.
The black box you recovered in Zambia was well-traveled. DIA managed to pull the nav data from it and came back with hits in Nigeria. There's been a lot of activity in the Niger Delta recently. Turns out CIA already had an asset in-country to monitor a PMC operating in the region. Watchgate says they're providing security for oil companies, but it looks like that's not all they're up to. These guys are muscling in on refineries, running ops into local villages. They're destabilizing an already shaky area. We want to know why. CIA's agent, Officer Dan Sykes, delivered an intel package on the situation, and then went dark. Langley's tried to re-establish contact. So far, no luck. They're assuming the worst. We're going in to locate, secure, and extract Officer Sykes, whatever his condition.
In base mode, this is a low IR signature UAV. Use it to identify enemy positions from on high, or to pinpoint and lock in targets. It's your eyes in the sky. You want to improve your aim? This will give you a stable firing platform. You're giving up mobility, but you're trading it for accuracy. You're going up against pros, but the PMC boys have gotten sloppy pushing civilians around. It might get pretty heavy because that refinery's easy to defend. I'd go with an LMG with a scope and back it up with a silenced carbine.
CIA's asset is the priority. Locate, secure, and extract.
I'm glad we came in the sneaky way.
Lock it up, 30. Get your AR online.
Don't understand!
Voor mij. Jullie gaan niet.
Nice goal!
Camo activated. This is Sykes' last known position. ask the new resident some questions. Set up for the grab.
I'll ask you once, where's the American?
Danny. The refinery, in a shipping container.
They've got him locked up in the camp.
Overlord, this is Hunter. They've got the package in the refinery. We're en route.
Here, go. Get out of here now.
We can't stay here.
Understood. Rebel support. Be advised, you've got large numbers of civilians in your area. Watch your targets. Roger.
Not safe here, go.
Well, all right, let's go! Clear the way! Move! Go! They're on the move! Move! Hostile down! I copy! Move! Out of the way! Get out of the way!
Larry, you can't just... Oh,
Larry! Oh, are you alright? How did...
Larry!
Go. Get moving. Yeah. Overlord, this is Hudson. We're closing on the king. Got an update? Roger that, Hunter. Pushing the satellite scan to you now.
We're stealing time from an NSA satellite. They're gonna reposition for us. Stand by. Here we go. I'll run you through it. It'll take a minute to get full granularity from the feed, but we're picking up some activity you should know about. We know Watchgate runs the bulk of their ops out of the facility here. It's a sprawling complex with multiple structures. Our boys have been analyzing patterns of movement and cell phone traffic. All the data suggests Officer Sykes is being held somewhere in this area. Sykes has been with Special Activities for a while. If anyone could handle capture and interrogation, it's him. Still, we don't know his condition, so be prepared to carry him out if you have to. Part of the camp is covered. Looks like some sort of hangar. We can't get an exact fix on the container.
We should be able to use a drone or magnetics to track him down from our side. We'll find him.
Copy that. It looks like the mercs aren't expecting any trouble.
Tell you what, man, some cold-hearted bastards just be playing around while their friends are out there butchering civilians.
They'll get there soon enough.
Don't take them too lightly. They might look sloppy, but they're well-equipped and quick on the trigger. Be advised, we did pick up a pair of radar contacts several clicks out from your location. Looks like a couple of gunships. Those choppers tell you everything you need to know about Watchgate's connections. These guys are serious business. Choppers aren't moving fast, but they are pointed your direction. Keep your eyes up just in case.
What do we have for air assets?
Nothing for close support, but our carrier group's sitting off the coast, and they've agreed to loan us a couple of aircraft. We've scrambled 2 fast movers. They'll hold south for you at Angels 2-2 and wait for your call. They're your panic button if more mercs show, but we don't want to use them if we don't have to.
Understood.
That's what we've got for now. Good luck in there.
Copy that. Hunter out. Camo active. Use the drone. Mark those targets. I see 2 hostiles.
2 marked. And he's number...
Set up your shots. Ready.
There's another one. 12 o'clock.
Kozak, on you.
Fire.
Moving. Light contact. I see another one. Light machine gunner.
Nice.
Drone deployed.
Looks like a skeleton crew.
Then this should be quick.
That's 2 targets. Mark target 3.
Holding for your shot. Holding for your shot. Lead, move.
On the move.
Hier zo!
Drones up.
Two marked. Marking the 3rd. Marking target 3.
Ready when you are.
On your shot. Standing by. Ready to fire.
He's down. That's the last of them.
Camo's up.
I'll cover.
Got it.
Stay down.
Still, be still. It's all right, sir. I'm getting you out of here.
We got company!
That's it, we got it. Up, let's go!
Protect the VIP. Diamond formation. Let's move. Move! Pick it up, pick it up! You're on the bridge!
Down! Stay down! Stay down!
Keep him covered! Watch the 6! Hostile chopper inbound! Left, go left, go left!
Get down! Get down! Down right here! Down! Stay down! All right, back! Move back! Move back! Up on your feet! On your feet!
Back! Fall back to the camp! Move! We're moving! Overlord, this is Hunter. We need those fast movers.
Overlord copies. Wolverine 1-5 is in the air. Standing right on target.
Roger that, pack it in.
Move it! Come on!
Stay down. Confirmed. It's yours.
Go back that too.
Come on, come on.
Hey, is that work? Everyone all right?
I'm fine.
I'm good. Good to go.
Sir, are you injured?
I'll be all right. What's the plan?
Plan is to get you home. First step is to get out of the open. Let's move to that hangar. Clear?
All clear.
Overlord, this is Hunter. Package is secure.
Copy that, Hunter. The hangar looks like it has some sort of substructure. Rally there for extraction.
Roger that, Overlord.
I gotta go back. I gotta get back into town.
Sir, with all you've been through, I think you could take a day off.
No, you don't understand. These guys, these mercs, are caught up in something big. I don't even think they realize how big.
You got hard intel on that?
Yeah, of course. I've been watching them for months. But somebody tipped them off. I had to ditch my files before they picked me up.
Where are they now?
In the trunk of a car, parked at the gas station in the north part of town.
Overlord Hunter, VIP's got some critical intel we need to recover. North section of town and a vehicle at an abandoned gas station.
Copy, Hunter. Stand by. We'll do another sweep.
Let me have your sidearm. I'll take you to it.
That's a negative, sir. You're going home. We'll get your gear.
Hey, I was a ranger. I can handle it.
I'm sure you could, sir. But today, you're the mission. You're leaving.
Hunter, we're still seeing a lot of activity on the ground. What do you want to do?
Hunter will recover the data and meet you at the secondary LZ.
Roger that. If you're going back in there, you better do it soon.
Acknowledged. We're moving now. Hunter out.
Camo activated.
Thanks for coming to get me.
Rangers lead the way.
Good luck, sir. See you in a few.
We'll go through here. Eyes open. Hostile with an assault rifle. 12 o'clock. Negative.
I've got eyes on two more. Straight ahead.
He's got a shotgun. There's another one. He's got a shotgun. 3 o'clock. Watch it. You're about to get spotted. Got eyes on another one.
Where do you see him?
Fire! Fire!
Three more hostiles on site. Dead ahead. One hostile armed with a shotgun.
Get back. They're about to spot you.
Hostile down. Bagged one. Reloading. On the move. Kill confirmed.
On your shot. Hostile neutralized. Add another hostile. He's got a shotgun.
Where is he?
Check 9 o'clock.
Second target.
Ready. On your go. On you. And another one, armed with a shotgun. Ahead of us. There's one more. Check 3 o'clock.
On your word. Fourth target. Standing by.
Add another hostile. He's got a shotgun. On the right. Fire!
Two targets marked.
Set to fire. On your shot.
Deploying drone.
You're gonna get spotted. Moving.
Second target.
Fire, fire! Looking your way, watch it. On your shot.
Open fire. Two marked. Target 3.
On your go. On your go.
Ready. Drone deployed.
Careful, they're looking your way.
Dead ahead. 2.
Hostiles have a chopper.
Marking the 3rd. I see 1, armed with a shotgun. Ready to fire.
Target down. 3 more. Dead ahead. Engage! They're taking cover! Light vehicle! Straight ahead! I'm moving! That's the front! You're getting pulled up! Take cover! Reloading! 12 o'clock! Hostile reinforcements incoming! Scratch 1! Copy that! It's done! Let's finish this! Get ahead! A rifleman! He's down! 9 o'clock, watch 9! He's got a shotgun! Moving! Dead ahead! Got a friend! Target down! Target down! Copy that! Here we go. Group up on me. Camo active.
Looks like the locals are getting some revenge. They're gonna tear them apart. What should we do?
Dude, kid, we ain't even here.
Overlord, can you get a fix on the vehicle's location?
Negative, Hunter. We see a couple of structures, but we can't see what's under them. You'll have to do the legwork.
Understood.
Millions of dollars floating around in space and still can't beat just going to see for yourself.
All right, eyes up, gentlemen. We need to find that car.
Hunter, twisting. We've reached secondary. We'll orbit until you're ready for extract.
Copy, Twisting. We'll be with you shortly. Hostile. He's got an assault rifle.
Where is he?
By that checkpoint.
I'm moving.
Eyes on two more.
Where are they?
On our left. You gotta get spotted.
Reloading.
There's one more. Check your 9.
Target eliminated. Drones up.
I spotted two more. Straight ahead of us. Ready to fire. On your go.
Careful, they're gonna spot you.
Got him. Set to fire. Ready, on your shot.
Camel's active.
Keep your heads down. If that chopper spots us, it'll get messy real fast. Hostile. I got eyes on 3 hostiles. Straight ahead of us.
Back on. Drones up.
Get back, you're about to spot. It's a hostile chopper. Set to fire.
2 targets marked. Second target. They've got a mounted gun set up here. In that building.
Here it goes. Scratch another one.
Mark 2. Marking 3rd.
Ready, on your shot. Forward for your shot.
Reload.
Move position.
Overlord, we've secured the intel. We're ready to extract.
Roger that, Hunter.
Twisting's en route to the LC.
Number 3.
Say when.
Standing by. Open fire. Reloading.
We're not cleared that way.
Go, go, go!
Keep moving, come on!
accounted for.
Let's go, gentlemen. I don't like being on the ground.